Welcome dear student for HSC online lecture initiative taken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College of Science and Commerce. I am Ms. Ragini Singh, Assistant Lecturer of Biology, and we are continuing with our chapter Biodiversity, Conservation and Environmental Issues, and today's subtopic is deforestation. In the last module we studied many things related to the environment, especially the Chipko movement, an initiative taken by the Amrita Devi Vishnoi, and today's module we are going to study deep related to this deforestation. What is deforestation? D means removal of forest. Deforestation is a conversion of forest area into non-forest area. According to an estimate, almost 40% of the forest are lost in tropics. This is the tropic zone, and 1% in the temperate zone. At the beginning of the 20th century, the forest cover was about 30% in India. By the end of the century, it got reduced to 19.4%. The National Forest Policy 1988 of India has recommended 33% forest cover for the plains and 67% for the hills. Causes of deforestation, let us understand. The very one important causes of deforestation is to convert the forest for the agriculture purpose, second for the use of woods, and third for the grazing purpose. Although all the three things are very important also, but there should be a limit for everything. For that the population should be in very much control. What is zoom cultivation? The zoom cultivation is to burn the entire forest or the agricultural land with the fire. That is called as the zoom cultivation. Major effect of deforestation is the increased concentration of carbon dioxide, very important, in the atmosphere, because trees hold a lot of carbon in their biomass and are lost with the deforestation. Because of this, it leads to the loss of biodiversity due to habitat destruction. It disturbs the hydrologic cycle, that is the water cycle. It causes the soil erosion. Since primary section we are studying that more trees we plant, the more soil has been holded by the roots. The trees we cut down, the roots loosens the soil, causing the soil erosion and desertification in extreme cases. So these are the major impact of the deforestation. What is reforestation? Re means again plantation of the forest. You will be very happy to meet this lady. She is Salumara Thimakka. She is an Indian environmentalist from the state of Karnataka, noted for her work in planting and tending to 385 banyan trees along a 4-kilometer stretch of highway between Hulikal and Kudur. She has also planted 8,000 other trees. Her work has been honored with the National Citizen Awards of India. She was also conferred to Padma Shri in 2019. Now students, she is a person, that is Salumara Thimakka, and she will be very surprised to know 105 years old. At that point of time where there was not much of the social activity involved and everything, she along with her husband has planted the 10 banyan trees along the side of the road, and she was so much into environment that she has started taking care of them, and ultimately she intended to plant almost 8,000 trees. And if you know, the Karnataka, the Kerala and all those things are very considered to be very important, and it's considered to be the, you can say, the next heaven on this earth is because of the greenery. It's really very hats off to these people who are working towards the environment without any selfish reason. And you will be surprised to know she do not have children of their own. So she started planting the trees and she started considering them only as their children. And today the children, that is the trees, have taken care of this lady, and that's why she is 105 years old, properly running, walking, doing all the other household chores. It's seriously and very, you can say, a stimulation for us to make us sensitized to take care of the environment. Just because she has planted so many trees, it has been helpful to so many other people. This Thimakka, although she did not had her own children, but still she planted the trees, and now she is called as the mother of the trees. This is another person's story. Moringantham Lohia from Manipur. He has dedicated his 17 years of his life to restore the Punshi Lok forest. He was basically left his job and he has worked in this place to make it as a important forest, and this is now considered to be a very important, you can say, a tourist attraction also, and impacting a good health for the people staying there. This Manipur man saved flora fauna by replanting 300-acre forest. Just imagine 300-acre forest. Mission Harit Maharashtra, an ambitious project of planting 50 crores trees in 4 years, was taken up by Government of Maharashtra in the year 2016. The plantation is in drive in line with National Forest Policy NFP, which aims at maintaining 33% forest cover in the country. A 24-hour toll-free helpline 1926 called Hello Forest has been set up to provide information regarding plantation, protection and for mass awareness. The Forest Department has created a mobile application called My Plants. This is a very important application to record the details of the plantation such as number, species and location. Authorities are expected to take care of saplings in the first year, that is 2016, 2.87 crore saplings were planted. In 2017, 5.17 crore, and in 2018, 15.17 crore plantation count was achieved. In the year 2019, the government aimed at a phenomenal 33 crore sapling plantation, which was launched at Anandvan, Varora. And because of all this initiative, that remote area, the places at the countryside has been developed into a beautiful place where tourists are actually going to find out some peace. This is the Anandvan Smart Village, where you can find all the modern things with the knowledge of the tradition. It means you have to go with the modern things, but do not forget your tradition, because it has actually a lot of scientific impact. The government has decided to adopt the Japanese Miyawaki method of plantation for this project. State Forest Department and Social Forestry Department have run successful pilot plantation using Miyawaki pattern in various districts like Bhid, Hingoli, Pune, Jalgaon, Aurangabad. Now, what is this Miyawaki pattern? One of the main important thing is that the Miyawaki involves the biofertilizers and not the pesticides, and second thing, they always go for indigenous plant, not the exotic plants, and within a very short span of time you get a very evergreen forest via Miyawaki method. I hope till now everything was very clear to you all. Let's test how much did you understand. What is the Zoom cultivation? Burning down the forest is termed as Zoom cultivation. Second question. Name the person designated as the mother of trees. Very proudly we can say she is Salumara Thimmakka. Name the forest restored by Lohia, and it is Punshi Lok forest. These two peoples, and there are many other environmentalists actually taking care, and they are actually a source of inspiration for us, because they are not only thinking for themselves but they are thinking for the entire society without any selfishness reason. How much time does it take for us to just grow a tree once in a year and to take care of them? And once they are independent, their roots penetrate deep into the soil, they take care of them on their own. At the last we are going to get the fruits, shade, etc. Your assignment: how Indian culture and traditions helps in biodiversity conservation. Give importance of conservation in terms of utilitarian reasons. Second, name any two personalities who have contributed to control deforestation in our country. Elaborate on the importance of their work. I hope this module was very helpful to you all. Thank you so much for attending this module. We'll again come back with the new module of the next and the new chapter. Thank you.